You know when you see a video with millions of views, ever stop and think, are those all real people? Well, today, we're going to dive into a technology that's trying to solve one of the biggest, kind of hidden problems online, ad fraud. We're talking about a system built to prove, once and for all, that a view came from a real human, not some bot.
All right, so let's get right into it. The whole thing really boils down to this one simple but kind of creepy question. When you're watching that video, are you really watching it alone?
Think about it. That video you saw today with, say, 10 million views, how many of those were actually people? 5 million? Maybe only 1 million? The crazy, uncomfortable truth is, a massive chunk of those views are probably just bots, automated programs just racking up numbers.
And look, this isn't just about vanity metrics or inflated view counts. We're talking about real money, billions of dollars. Imagine you're an advertiser. For every single dollar you spend to get an ad in front of a real person, a big slice of that just, poof, disappears. It goes into the pocket of someone running a bot that was never going to buy your product anyway. It's like this giant digital black hole, just sucking up billions that should be going to real creators and real businesses.
So you gotta ask, right? How in the world do you fight an enemy you can't even see? Well, that's where our solution comes into the picture. Let's talk about a new kind of defense system called Proof of View.
Okay, so what is Proof of View, or POV as you'll hear it called? Under the hood, it's this mashup of three really powerful technologies: blockchain, AI, and machine learning. And I know, that sounds like a game of buzzword bingo, but it's not. This is a real, patented system that uses all that fancy tech for one very specific, very important job: figuring out if a view is from a human or a bot.
Okay, that's the what. But how does it actually do it? Let's break it down. It's actually a pretty straightforward three-step process. So think of it like this: detect, verify, and prevent. First, it has to detect the fakes. Then it needs to verify that the real ones are actually human. And finally, it works to prevent the fraud from happening in the first place. Simple enough, right? Let's kick things off with detection. So step one is detection. And the key to this whole thing is just the sheer amount of data it looks at. We're talking about more than 200 different metrics for every single view. Well, it's an incredible level of detail.
And this isn't something simple like just checking your IP address. No. The AI is actually analyzing your behavior, the way you move your mouse. Did you kind of hesitate before clicking play? Did you scroll down to the comments while the video was still running? It's hunting for all those little, subtle, uniquely human things that bots just can't replicate. It's basically reading your digital body language.
Okay, so the system flags a view as human. Great. What happens then? Well, that brings us to step two, verification. This is where we create a permanent, totally trustworthy record of that legit view.
And the special tool it uses for this job? It's blockchain. Now, don't let that word scare you off. For what we're talking about today, just picture a digital receipt book that anyone can see. Once something is written in it, in our case a verified view, it can't be erased, ever. It can't be changed by anyone. It's permanent, and it's transparent.
So here's the play-by-play. Your view passes the AI's human test. Awesome. The system then creates a totally anonymous ID for you so your privacy is protected, and then it logs that verified view onto the blockchain. It's kind of like getting an official, impossible-to-forge stamp of authenticity on every single real view.
And that leads us to the final and maybe most important step, prevention. See, the old way of doing things was completely reactive. You'd run your ad campaign, you'd spend all your money, and then, weeks later, you'd get a report saying, oh, by the way, 30% of your budget went to bots. Too late. The Proof of View way is proactive. It catches and filters out the bots in real time, so the advertiser's money is never even spent on that fake view to begin with. It stops the bleeding before it even starts.
So, okay, that's the tech. That's how it works. But so what? Why does any of this actually matter? Well, it really all boils down to one word: trust.
And the really cool part is that this isn't one of those things where somebody has to lose for someone else to win. It's a win-win. Advertisers can finally be confident that their ads are actually being seen by real people. And on the other side, publishers and creators, they finally get paid for their actual human audience, and they have a bulletproof record to prove it. It just creates a much healthier, much more honest online world for everybody.
So I want to leave you with this one last thought. Right now, this tech is all about video ads. But the big idea here, the ability to truly prove a human interaction online, that is huge. Think about it. If we can prove a view is human, what else can we prove?
What does this mean for digital identity, for how we define value online? I mean, this is the kind of question that could totally reshape the future of the internet as we know it. Something to think about. Thanks for joining me.